Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. Today, I'm turning myself into this BRATZ doll, as you could tell by the thumbnail. And I think I did a pretty good job. I don't think I look good. I hate the lips, but without the lips, I think I look good. Yeah, this is the look. If you want to see how I did this, go ahead and keep watching. So, as you know, I'm turning myself into a BRATZ doll. So let's just get started. She starts with a dark green on the outer corner, and then she kind of goes in light. I'm going to start with the dark green. So I'm going to prime my eyelids with concealer. And obviously, I already did my eyebrows. So I'm going to start with the dark green, blend it out. I literally am so upset with myself because I didn't do not even half row, not even a fourth of the costumes and like looks I wanted to do for Halloween. I'm going to get better at it because I must. I feel like I look bad in eyeshadow. I don't know, maybe I won't. And also, I'm not trying to do the whole BRATZ eyes. You know what I'm talking about? Like how they go all extra and make them look like actual literal doll eyes. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I mean, like, no, I'm not doing that. I'll try my best to make my eyes look like they're shaved, but I'm trying to go more as like a human version. So I feel like it's a little too dark and not really green for my liking. So I'm gonna mix a little bit of the lime green color on top of it just to make it a little bit lighter, but not too light to where you won't be able to see the difference whenever I do the cut crease. Now I'm gonna do my cut crease with the concealer. I can't do a cut crease on camera, sorry. I'll be right back. I did one side and I'm gonna top it with the lime green. Why is it coming out so dark? This looks so bad. Have you guys been? I have tons of good video ideas coming up for November. I think I was so caught up in trying to make everything Halloween themed this month that I kind of set aside my good ideas that I was more excited to film, and that's why I just didn't film. I'm gonna be much more motivated to film my other great ideas. I'm also starting to actually plan my videos and not just like do what I'm doing, sit down and like film and talk. I really think my content is going to get better than it is right now, because right now I still feel like an amateur sitting here just doing my makeup. Nothing really out of pocket. My other videos, on the other hand, are gonna have like twists and stuff like that, and more entertaining and more thought and effort put into them. I'm really excited for you guys to see those ideas I have. Now I'm just blending the dark green into the light green. So I guess it's time for eyeliner. The scariest part for me is the under eye, because I'm concealing then doing the under eye. So if I conceal and then do the under eye and I mess up, I have to redo the whole thing over again. So I'm gonna wait to do like the cat eye. Now it's time for concealer. Before, I'm gonna use my cheap concealer from Walmart. It's just a Fit Me. And I'm just doing this one first, so that way I can get two coats. One coat of this one and then one of my expensive ones, so that way it's extra coverage. I've been liking using my finger to conceal lately. I have a beauty sponge, but like I feel like it picks up too much product and doesn't blend very well. My neighbor has chickens. Oh my god, that's so weird. I just realized that before we moved, our neighbors had chickens, and then we moved and our new neighbors also had chickens. That's weird. My grandma told me that our neighbors at our old house were Satan worshippers, and that's why they had chickens. I'm not saying that every chicken owner is a Satan. I'm not saying that every chicken owner is a Satan worshiper. But my grandma told me she would wake up like early in the mornings to go water her plants before the sun would come up. And one time she saw him and his husband in black robes chanting something. But I don't know, man. And also, I swear, guys, like, they had, I know this for a fact, like it's not what my grandma told me, it's what I know. They had a goat statue about this big with horns, and it was rainbow with polka dots on it. Isn't a goat symbolic for the devil or something? I saw that, I was like, with stories my grandma told me were true. And I took a picture to show my friend, but when I went to go show her, it was gone. The picture was gone. And then so I go to their yard in a couple days and the statue's gone. That's kind of creepy. Hi, Grandma.
Oh my god.
I love her so much. I'm just baking now. So I don't know if they're really demon worshippers per se, but like, I mean, whatever floats your boat. I'm gonna go get eyelashes so I could put them on. So I'm gonna cut them up into a bunch of little pieces because her eyelashes look more like separate pieces, about pieces this big. Yes?
Have you seen the McCamey Manor haunted house?
Dude, I watched that this morning. How does he get away with that? That's like literally torture.
Did you find out about it this morning?
Yeah.
Wait, from where?
A TikTok, bro. Bro, what the hell?
Why would people want to do that?
At first I was like, I bet a haunted house, bro. I don't get scared from any haunted house. I bet I could do it. And I watched it, I was like, damn, that's not no haunted house. Muddy taco meat on the face and the body. Ate my lunch and stole my milk money. He makes them say that, and it's like, damn, who hurt you as a kid? So it has now been hours later, many hours later. As you could tell, it changed, and I did my hair, but I'm gonna redo it because it kind of messed up. I just split my hair evenly, hairspraying it, and then combing it in. My hair is tangly, I should have brushed it first. And just repeat. I wore this to my little sister's middle school today. And to say the least, I got a lot of stares because I'm wearing green eyeshadow, my hair like this, and a bright green shirt. Me and Bumbo were matching today too. Cute! Okay, so now I'm gonna do the cat eye inner corner. You guys can't see though because these are really hard for me to do. Like, I could mess them up so easily. Now, time for the hardest part. I'm going to attempt to do this. Do you see the under eye things? Oh my god. If I mess this up, the whole look is ruined. Oh my god. I hate it. She has green eyes. I have green contacts, but I don't want to put them in, so I'm not gonna. Yeah. She also has really dark green lipstick, so I don't have that, but there's a dark green in this palette, so I could just make it. What else am I gonna use this color for? I'm gonna try to overline my lips a lot because they have huge lips. Okay, before I get dressed, actually I'm gonna put the chains in my hair. Yeah, like that. Probably should have measured it out first, but around there looks good. Okay, I'll be right back. The look is complete. I hate the lipstick. This is it. What do you guys think? I think the lipstick needs to be darker or something. I look cute with the filter on, but without one, I look bad. Okay, so this is the look. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hate the lips, but yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in a couple days because I have tons of videos for you. Thanks for watching. I love you guys so much, and bye.